Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You begin by enabling the management clipboard and granting the necessary permissions so clipboard data can be captured securely. Next, choose the correct scope, user, team, or global, because scope determines visibility and audit boundaries. Once done, set retention to 7, 30, or 90 days and enable encryption to protect sensitive entries. Make sure to select who can view versus edit entries, and optionally configure a quarantine policy for suspicious clipboard content before proceeding to active capture. You now organize captured items. Create folders and tags to group clips by project or sensitivity, which speeds retrieval during workflows. Then build automation rules, for example, autosave specific patterns, redact PII, or route entries with keywords to an approver, because automation reduces manual overhead. Connect the clipboard to your apps using API integrations, keyboard shortcuts, and reusable templates so you can paste structured content reliably. Make sure to test each rule on sample data. To finish, monitor usage with audit logs and set alerts for anomalous access so you detect misuse early. Use version history to review changes and restore deleted clips. This is essential if someone overwrites critical information. Sync the clipboard across devices and confirm backups run as scheduled. If something goes wrong, restart the sync service, clear the local cache, and reapply permissions. These steps resolve most sync and permission issues quickly. Finally, document procedures so your team follows the same recovery path.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.